Practically all entries are sold. $1,200. Away they go. Bad Boy from the outside. Stormy Norman Fisher champ rising up. Una Mujer. Physiotherapist and this round is the early trailer. Una Mujer, Bad Boy, Fisher champ Stormy Norman and this round and physiotherapist. And inside the last 900, Una Mujer followed by Bad Boy in second. Stormy Norman, Fisher champ, and this ram racing on the outside and physiotherapies as they race the last 600. Una Mujer by about 2 lengths. Bad Boy in second. Stormy Norman, Fisher champ, and this ram is watching in fifth position. As they race the last 500, Una Mujer, Bad Boy, Stormy Norman, Fisher champ running by the run, and this ram on the further outside as they race the final corner. Fisher champ, Una Mujer, Stormy Norman, Bad Boy, and this ram on the further outside. It's Bad Boy in the middle. Stormy Norman, Fisher champ, Bad Boy, Stormy Norman, but still Bad Boy, the horse of Mr. Cesar Avila Jr. winning this race. Second, Stormy Norman, Fisher champ, and this ram, Una Mujer, and physiotherapy.